In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up recurring invoices in Stripe.
Mhm.
Start by making sure you are already logged into your Stripe dashboard. Once you are inside the dashboard, go to the left-hand navigation menu and click Product Catalog. This is where you create the items and pricing that Stripe will use for subscriptions and recurring billing. Next, click the Create Product button. You will now enter the details for the product or service you want to bill for on a recurring basis. Type in the product name, and if you want, add a short description to give more context. You can also upload a product image if that is useful for your records or for customer-facing pages, but this step is optional. After that, move down to the pricing section. Here, choose recurring instead of one-time pricing. Then enter the amount you want to charge on each billing cycle. Select the correct currency, and then choose the billing period. For example, you can set it to monthly, yearly, or another recurring interval that fits your business model. Once the pricing details are complete, click Add Product to save everything. Your recurring product is now ready to be used for customer subscriptions. Now go back to the left-hand menu and click Customers. From here, select an existing customer if the person is already in your Stripe account. If not, create a new customer and enter the necessary details. After opening the customer profile, create a subscription for that customer using the recurring product you just set up. This links the customer to the recurring billing plan. As soon as the subscription is active, Stripe will automatically generate recurring invoices based on the billing period you selected earlier. This means you do not need to create each invoice manually. Stripe handles the invoice creation for every billing cycle tied to that subscription. To review the invoices, go to Billing in the left-hand navigation menu, and then click Invoices. Here you will be able to see the recurring invoices that Stripe has generated. You can open individual invoices, check their status, and confirm that the recurring billing is working as expected. That is the full process for setting up recurring invoices in Stripe. You create a recurring product, attach it to a customer through a subscription, and Stripe takes care of the ongoing invoice generation automatically. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.